Sinigang na hipon. 1 kilogram whole uncooked shrimp. 1 pouch Mamacita's tamarind seasoning or sinigang sa sampalok mix. 1/2 cup onions, quartered. 2 cups sitaw, cut into 2-inch lengths. 10 cups water. 2 cups radish, sliced. 1 cup tomatoes, sliced. 4 pieces long green pepper. 2 cups kangkong. Patis or fish sauce to taste. Bring water, tomatoes, and onions to a boil. Simmer for 5 minutes. Pour in Mamacita's sinigang sa sampalok mix. Increase heat and bring to a rolling boil. Add radish, long green beans, long green pepper, and fish sauce to taste. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes. Add shrimp. Turn off heat and add leafy vegetables. Cover to steam cook and serve hot.